Hey everybody, Yasin Nizami here, and today we are going to dive into an exciting journey transitioning from an engineering role to a business focused or sales engineering position. This shift isn't just about changing job titles, it's about transforming how you present your technical expertise to the world. And the key to this transformation, mastering the art of storytelling. Imagine you have spent years developing intricate systems and solving complex problems. Your technical skills are top notch, but when it comes to conveying the value of your work to potential clients or stakeholders, or even to your higher management, you find yourself hitting a wall. This is where storytelling becomes invaluable. Storytelling bridges the gap between complex technical details and client needs. It's not just about relaying facts, it's about weaving those facts into narratives that resonate, making your solution relatable and compelling. Let me share a story. Early in my career, I worked on a project where we developed a software solution that streamlined data processing for a client. Instead of presenting them with technical specifications and performance metrics, I told them about how before our solution, their team spent hours manually processing data, leading to frequent errors and missed opportunities. After implementing our software, their processing time was halved, accuracy improved, and they could make decisions faster, giving them a competitive edge in the market. By framing the technical benefits within a real-world context, the client could see the tangible impact of our solution. This approach not only secured the deal but also built a lasting relationship based on trust and understanding. So how can you as an engineer harness storytelling to transition into sales engineering or any business role? Here are some practical steps. Understand your audience. Before crafting your story, know who you are speaking to. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Tailoring your narrative to address their specific needs makes it more impactful. Structure your story. Use a clear framework. Start with the challenge or problem. Introduce your solution and highlight the benefits. This structure keeps your audience engaged and makes the information digestible. Use relative examples. Draw from past experiences where your technical solutions had a positive impact. For instance, if you developed a tool that reduced processing errors by 30%, explain how this improvement translated to cost savings and increased productivity for the client. Simplify complex concepts. Avoid jargon. This is key, guys. Break down complex technical details into simple terms. Analogies can be powerful here. Think of explaining a data pipeline like a plumbing in a house. Just as pipes carry water to where it's needed, the data pipelines channel information to the right places efficiently. Engage emotionally. People remember stories that evoke emotions. Highlight the human element, perhaps how a solution made an employee's job easier or how it prevented potential losses. Consider the case of a sales engineer who was presenting a new cybersecurity solution to a potential client. Instead of diving straight into technical specifications, he began with a story. Imagine it's Monday morning and your team is gearing up for a big product launch. Suddenly, systems go down, data is compromised, and the launch is halted. This nightmare became a reality for one of our clients before they implemented our solution. By painting this vivid scenario, the sales engineer immediately captured attention and making the need for the solution clear and urgent. This approach not only highlighted the product's features but also connected with the client's fears and aspirations, making the presentation memorable and persuasive. To hone your storytelling skills, practice regularly. Incorporate stories into your everyday communications, whether it's team meetings, presentations, or casual conversations. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Seek feedback after sharing a story. Ask for feedback. Understand what resonated and what did not to refine your approach. Study effective communicators. Observe how seasoned SEs or public speakers use storytelling. Analyze their techniques and adapt them to your style. Transitioning from an engineering to a SE role is a journey of not just showcasing your technical skill set, but also communicating them effectively. Storytelling is your bridge to making complex solutions accessible and compelling. Embrace it, practice it, and watch as new opportunities unfold in your career. I have spent 20 years of my life in this industry, and I have a passion to help engineers to move into SE or business roles. So if you're looking to make this transition, book me a consulting call with me, and I will help you out to create a roadmap for you to take this transformation. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with using storytelling in your professional journey. Drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. This will help me immensely. Good luck with your career. Until next time, take care.